How to assert two lists contain the same elements in Python? When writing test cases, I often need to assert that two lists contain the same elements without regard to their order. I have been doing this by converting the lists to sets. Is there any simpler way to do this? Edit. As @Mark Dickinson pointed out, I can just use testcase.assertAttemptSQL. Notes that testcase.assertAttemptSQL is new in Python 2.7. If you are using an older version of Python, you can use unittest2, a backport of new features of Python 2.7.
As of Python 3.2, unittest.testcase.assertAttemptSQL doc has been replaced by unittest.testcase.assertCountSQL doc, which does exactly what you are looking for, as you can read from the Python standard library documentation. The method is somewhat misleadingly named, but it does exactly what you are looking for. A and B have the same elements in the same number, regardless of their order. Here a simple example which compares two lists having the same elements but in a different order. Using assert count equal the test will succeed. Using assert list equal the test will fail due to the order difference of the two lists. Here a little example script. Side note, please make sure that the elements in the list you are comparing are sortable.
Slightly faster version of the implementation, if you know that most couples lists will have different lengths. Comparing.
Given. In Python is greater than or equal to 3.0. In Python is greater than or equal to 2.7, the above function was named. In Python is lower than 2.7. Via 6 module, any Python version.
Converting your list to sets will tell you that they contain the same elements. But this method cannot confirm that they contain the same number of all elements. For example, your method will fail in this case. You are likely better off sorting the two lists and comparing them. Note that this does not alter the structure/contents of the two lists. Rather, the sorting creates two new lists.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.